Or?
You got regular vinegar and you have malt vinegar.
Uy, suka ramang gyud nga Bisaya. Akong ibala na ni oy nga butangag tungog.
Got a nice taste.
So did they bone the chicken
Yeah.
and put cheese on it?
No, they boned the chicken and then they pounded it flat. And then they made an egg batter.
So
And then they dipped it in the egg and then they put breadcrumbs on it. And then they fried it.
yeah, and then this one
And then they
is
put the cheese on it.
a cheese on top of that
Yeah,
chicken.
along
So this
with a little bit of tomatoey shit.
this is already a chicken Milanese.
Not bad.
Magsugba tag manok.
Bisaya, sa bawon na manok, Bisaya gihapon, di ng English, edit naman English, nung kinamot ako eh. So, chicken Milanese, I think it's like they bone in the platter and mix it with an egg and a breaded. And on top of it is a cheese and a tomato sauce. Tapos kami nga ng Bisaya sa bawon. Batangan kapayas, batangan o tagang tayong lamas sama sa Bombay, ahos, aloy, tanglad. Yes, natin tayo ba? Pero, mas. This is 390.
Basta lami gihapon ang Bisaya nga manok. Paano na ni kay sayang kaayo?